Hello and welcome to another install video with Boomba Racing. Today we'll be installing the Elantra N Stage 1 catch can. Prepare your Boomba Racing Stage 1 catch can kit. Secure the mounting bracket to the catch can. Mount the catch can beside the front driver's side headlight using the existing bolts. Remove the engine cover. Cut the factory vent line and rotate the vent lines towards the firewall. Connect the shorter vent hose to the in and the longer vent hose to the out port. Route the vent line behind the ECU and filter box. Install the hose adapters. Connect the vent from the valve cover to the in port and the vent line from the intake to the out port. Use zip ties to dress up vent hoses. Reinstall engine cover. And you're done. Thanks for joining us today for another install video with Boomba Racing. Subscribe for more install videos, sound clips, and more.